Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Realme 12 Plus anticipated launch, OnePlus 12 launch details, Apple's larger iPad Air rumors, Google's Gmail unsubscribe update, WhatsApp's nearby share feature, OpenAI CEO's chip-making venture, Rabbit R1, future of agent-centric IoT and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Realme plans to expand its smartphone lineup with the upcoming launch of Realme 12 Pro and 12 Pro Plus. Leaks reveal a surprise addition, the Realme 12 Plus 5G, supported by evidence from NBTC, UL and FCC filings. Filings confirm up to 67-watt wired charging and integration with Realme UI 5 based on Android 14. Leaked schematics suggest a round camera hump similar to the 12 Pro series but lack a high-end periscope zoom lens. Role in relation to the base model 12 remains unclear until the anticipated January 2024 launch. OnePlus launches the OnePlus 12 and the OnePlus 12R in India on 23rd January. OnePlus 12 is priced at Rs 64,999 12GB RAM and Rs 69,999 for the 16GB variant. Sales for OnePlus 12 begin on 30 January and the OnePlus 12R is expected in February. OnePlus 12 features a 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, 50-megapixel triple camera setup and a 5,400 mAh battery. OnePlus 12R is a rebrand of OnePlus Ace 3 with similar specifications. Apple reportedly plans to launch a larger iPad Air 6th generation with a 12.9-inch display and M2 chipset. Design shows similarities to the current iPad Air, featuring a slim body, all-screen design and a potential Touch ID button. Tablet maintains speakers, a USB-C port and introduces a visible border around the rear camera, aimed at narrowing the gap between the Pro and Air lineups, offering a larger display without the higher Pro price. Reports suggest two sizes, including the existing 10.9-inch variant. Google enhances the email unsubscribe process in Gmail, separating report, spam and unsubscribe options. Change aims to simplify managing unwanted emails. The unsubscribe button now easily accessible through hover actions. On mobile, the button is relocated to the three-dot menu. Bulk senders, over 5,000 emails required to implement a one-click unsubscribe link by February 2024. Move seeks to streamline the user experience for managing unwanted emails. WhatsApp is reportedly developing a file sharing feature for sharing files with nearby users. Feature available in WhatsApp beta for Android 2.24.2.17 users. Share devices to generate a share request. Files can only be shared with users on the contact list, ensuring privacy. Feature still under development includes end-to-end encryption for file sharing. Release date for the stable version remains unclear. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman in talks with potential investors to raise billions for a chip-making company. Goal is to build a network of semiconductor manufacturing factories. Structure of the new company remains unclear, whether it will be a subsidiary of OpenAI or a separate entity. Tens of billions of dollars required. The project may take several years to set up advanced manufacturing facilities. OpenAI expected to be the first client of the new company. At CES 2024, Rabbit R1 in collaboration with Humane AI Pin unveils an AI assistant praised by Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Nadella likens the launch to the iconic unveiling of the original iPhone by Steve Jobs in 2007. Rabbit R1, powered by a MediaTek processor with a 2.88-inch touchscreen display, hailed for its smart capabilities, employs a large action model for efficient task performance, offering a glimpse into the future of intelligent devices. Nadella emphasizes the importance of making devices easier to use and lauds Rabbit R1's potential breakthrough. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।